Hello students, welcome to our class. So in the last lecture we start our new topic for the standard 7. Subject is general science. The topic is properties of natural resources. Okay. So in this topic we learn about some properties of air by doing this activity. Okay. So here we see the next properties. In last lecture we study which properties, that is air has a weight, and also we see the atmospheric pressure. Okay, what is the atmospheric pressure, and also we see the activity for this, that is taking a syringe. Okay, here by pushing the piston when the hole is open, and by pulling the piston when the hole is closed. So by doing this activity we observe how the atmospheric pressure is created on that piston. Okay, so here also we see the definition of atmospheric pressure. What is the definition? That is the when the molecules strike on a body, that is air molecules strike on a body, they create a pressure on that body, and this pressure of air that we call atmospheric pressure. Okay, so here we see also the atmospheric pressure is the same in all direction, means if the object is kept in air, the atmospheric pressure exerts from the all side on that body. So for this also we see the example of the another that is cardboard. When we place the cardboard on a glass filled with water. Okay, by doing this activity also we observe how the atmospheric pressure exerts on that cardboard. So here we continue our next point, that is in the last lecture we see the effect of air pressure by doing this activity. So what is the activity, I again explain here. This activity is start from take a some water in a plastic. Here we start this activity. Okay, take a some water in a plastic cup. Here we take a water. Okay, and hold a straw upright in it. Upright means we keep the straw in that water as like this. Okay, this straw is kept in that water. Here again we kept the another or hold the another straw, that is the another straw, but in a horizontal position, that is it is exactly perpendicular to that straw. Okay, it is exactly perpendicular the first straw. So here in that condition we arrange these both the straw, and after arrangement of this, here you start blow hard through the small piece of straw. So here in next step, from this straw you start blowing, but hardly, means forcefully you blow the air inside that small straw. Then what happened, when we blow the air through this straw, the fountain will be appear, or fountain will be see at the open end of this straw which is kept inside this water. So here fountain is C. Water droplets are comes out in the form of fountain. So why did this happen? So here this happened due to air pressure. So how this air pressure, atmospheric pressure is work for this activity? So what happened, when we blowing through the straw, when we blow through this straw, at the same time what happened, atmospheric pressure near the end, open end of this straw, it become low or it become less. Here atmospheric pressure or the pressure at the opening of this vertical straw, it goes down, means value of atmospheric pressure decreases. And at the same time what happened, due to this decreasing air pressure at this place, and in at the same time what happened, the air pressure is more at the lower part of the straw, and when air pressure become unbalanced means at this end air pressure is low. Okay, at this end air pressure is low, and below it is a more, below it is a more. So here what happened, we know how the air pressure flow, or how the air due to this air pressure, air blow, always the air blow from more pressure to the lower pressure. So if the here is more pressure and at the open end it is a low pressure, then what happened, the air forcefully move, or the pressure get passed towards the that end which contains the low air pressure. So due to this, what happen, the water droplets which are present inside the straw get thrown out from this open end, and due to this fountain will be appear. Why? Because of this air pressure get pushed towards the lower pressure of that end of the straw. Okay, I again explain how the fountain is formed. On blowing through the straw, what happened during the blowing, the air at its open end means this open end, or when we blow air from the straw at this place, what happened, the pressure of the air at the opening goes down. Means at this place pressure will goes down, air pressure will goes down, it become less, as the pressure of air near the upper end of the erect straw become less. So this pressure at the end of this erect straw become less. Due to this, what happen, than the atmospheric pressure. Here we know the air exerts pressure, sorry, here we see the air exerts pressure on the objects which are kept in that. So what happened, here there is also atmospheric pressure work on that straw and this glass. So here what happened, when we blow the air, the pressure at the open end near this vertical straw, it become less, and here atmospheric pressure become this pressure become less than the atmospheric pressure, and due to this, what happen, the water in the cup is pushed from where the pressure is higher to where it is lower. Means here what happened, the water from this cup is pushed towards which part, where the pressure is low. At that place pressure is low, and lower side atmospheric pressure is, or at the lower side pressure is high. So here what happened, due to this difference in pressure, these water droplets pushed towards the lower pressure from the higher pressure. So in that direction, the pressure, due to this difference in pressure, water droplets get pushed from the more pressure to the lower pressure. Okay, so as a result, what happened, we see the fountain at the open end of the straw. So and the water comes out in the form of fountain. Fountain means some smaller droplets comes out as a sprinklet. Okay, so this straw fountain works on a Bernoulli principle. In the last lecture we also see the what is the Bernoulli principle. According to the Bernoulli principle, what happened, the uh, air pressure, when we compare the air pressure, means air is moved from higher pressure to the lower pressure. So according to this principle, here also whenever there is a air pressure get lower at the open end of the straw, of the vertical straw, due to this, where is the higher pressure, at the uh, another end of the straw, that is which is deep into the water, at that place air pressure is higher. So due to this, what happen, due to higher pressure, these water droplets get pushed towards the lower pressure, and due to this, as a result, we see the fountain of the water at the open end of the straw. Okay, so this work on the principle of Bernoulli's. Okay, what is the principle of Bernoulli? That is air blow from the higher pressure to the lower pressure. This is the Bernoulli's principle. According to this principle, this fountain will be seen. So here we see how the air pressure, effect of air pressure takes place on this water in the cup. Okay, so next we see the next point, that is they gives us a question, that is use your brain power. What is the effect of increased temperature on the pressure of air? Means in the next step you should learn about the relation between temperature and pressure. Either there is an increase in temperature, what is the value of pressure, either it will be increase or decrease. So in the next point we will learn about this, that is the what is effect of increase in temperature on the pressure of the air. Okay, so when there is a exist a difference in the air pressure at a two different places, the air starts, we see this para, when the exist exists of a difference in the air pressure at the two different places. The air starts flowing from the place of higher pressure to the place of lower pressure. So at such a times we feel a breeze or wind blowing. Thus winds are effect of the difference in air pressure. So this also you study in the topic winds in the subject geography. Okay, this will be learn more about related to the air, how the winds are blow due to this difference in air pressure at a different places. Okay, so here we learn what is the effect of air pressure.